Welcome students. This is Manikanta, St. Mary's High School, Palakollu. Topic physics. This is the first part. Please watch carefully.
Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you the wonderful new concept heat. Do you know already previous class I told, but this is new lesson, our 10th class new lesson. It is a very easy lesson because some activities in your daily life, some activities something in your life, some activities in laboratory means lab activity. That's why this lesson is sometimes difficult, sometimes very easy. So in this lesson, so many problems and what are the effects of surrounding nature. Do you think what is this lesson? Yes, this is the heat lesson. In this heat lesson, in surrounding atmosphere, in this heat lesson, hot water, cold water, something like that. Hot water, cold water, temperature. There are some keywords in this lesson. Understood? In this lesson, sometimes it is very difficult because in this lesson, evaporation, boiling, condensation, humidity, temperature, so many key points you understand and closely, keenly observe that activities. Now, I will explain some activities and lab activities. Please watch carefully and listen carefully. So, I am going to teach you the new wonderful concept, heat. It is very extraordinary. Before you learn some technical basic words. What is that basic words? One is hot, another is cold. So what is hot? What is cold? It is very easy. Hot body. For example, our body has heat energy. Store it. For example, if heat energy flows out from our body, మన బాడీ నుంచి బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోతే, if heat energy enters into our body, మన బాడీ లోపలకు వస్తే, if heat energy enters into our body, hot. If heat energy flows out from our body, cold. This is enters. This is flows out from our body. That's why hot body, cold body, these are closely related terms. Related terms. It is the basic of heat lesson. For example, more heat energy, less heat energy. In some words, this is technical words. For example, wooden piece and iron piece. It is nothing but metal. Wooden piece, iron piece. Iron piece is nothing but metal piece. These two pieces keep into deep freeze. Deep freeze. Keep it. Okay. After some time, these two pieces remove from your fridge. Then touches the one by one. After remove your fridge, these two pieces touches one by one. For example, if you touch the wooden piece, if you feel cold. If you touch the iron piece, if you feel also cold. What is the difference of in these two pieces? What is the difference of in these two pieces? Guess it. Yes. For example, if more heat energy flows out from our body when you touch the metal piece than compared to wooden piece. Are you understand? Once again, more heat energy in these two pieces, in which case more heat energy flows out from our body? Yes, iron piece. So that's why iron piece is more cold than wooden piece. So that's why hot and body cold are relative terms. Okay, this is hot body and cold body. And next one, what is temperature? So in this case, you understand what is temperature. Heat is a form of energy. Generally, this heat energy from one body to another body. It is transferred from hot body to cold body. What is hot body? If heat energy enters into our body. What is cold body? If heat energy flows out from our body. So, students, what is temperature? The conventional definition of temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. What is degree? How much? ఎంత హాట్ ఉంది, ఎంత కోల్డ్ ఉంది అని చెప్పేది. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎస్. సో ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ హాట్నెస్ ఆర్ కోల్డ్నెస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ టెంపరేచర్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ టెంపరేచర్ very important definition in our 10th class examination. What is the definition? Once again, the degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. Okay students, in sometimes if you touch one body, neither hot or cold, we can't say, మనం చెప్పలేమండి ఏది హాట్ ఏది కోల్డ్. In which case, I will explain. In which case neither give nor heat energy. So in that case is called thermal equilibrium. For example, if you touch one body, you can't say either hot or cold. If you touch another body, also you can't say either hot or cold. So what is this condition? Yes, that condition name is thermal equilibrium. So in this condition, neither heat energy nor gives heat energy. అంటే heat energy ఇవ్వదు తీసుకోదు. అంటే this meaning the conventional definition of thermal equilibrium. It means two bodies are in thermal contact. We can't say either feel hot or cold. That is called thermal equilibrium. See students, what is the definition of thermal equilibrium? Please watch carefully, listen carefully. When two bodies are placed in thermal contact, two bodies are placed in thermal contact. Understand? In this case, heat energy will be transferred from hotter body to colder body. Hotter body means highest temperature. Colder body means lowest temperature. It means heat energy must transfer from higher temperature to lower temperature. Means hotter body to colder body. So this transfer of heat energy continues till ఎప్పటి వరకు అండి both bodies attain same degree of hotness or coldness. అంటే ఒకే టెంపరేచర్ వచ్చేంత వరకు ఏమవుతుంది, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది. సో at this stage we say that the bodies have achieved thermal equilibrium. It is very important definition, thermal equilibrium, in your 10th class public examination. Once again, once seeing this video, watching this video, all of you students, please write in our notes, listen carefully and write carefully. Write, listen ever, write, please listen and watch it carefully. Ever neglect cheyaddu. It is very important. Once write our book. Now, just now, ready, start. When two bodies are placed in thermal contact, then ఎప్పుడైతే థర్మల్ కాంటాక్ట్ లో ఉన్నాయో, that heat energy will be transferred from hotter body to colder body. This transfer of heat energy కంటిన్యూ గా జరుగుతుంది. ఎప్పటి వరకు? The two bodies attain same degree of hotness or coldness. So at this stage we say that the bodies have thermal equilibrium. Are you understand, students? It is very important. Thermal equilibrium. So in this case you can't feel either hot or cold because the two bodies have same degree of hotness or coldness. It is a very important definition. Okay, now how heat energy will transfer from hotter body to colder body? I told previous, heat energy will be transferred from hotter body to colder body. How heat energy transferred from hotter body to colder body? I will explain one activity. That is, take one vessel that is filled with hot water. Take another vessel that is filled with cold water. In the two vessels, kept one thermometer. After some time, in the two thermometers observe the mercury levels. Do you know what is thermometer? Thermometer means to measure the heat energy. To measure the heat energy, which body is hotter, which body is colder. That is identification of thermometer. So what is the use of thermometer? Which body is hotter, which body is colder. So which body is hotter, which body is colder determines the substance? Thermometer. So in this thermometer, mercury is there. That mercury level increase sometimes, that mercury level decrease sometimes. In which case thermometer increase mercury level, in which case in thermometer mercury level decreases. It means one is a hot body, another is cold body. Heat will be transferred from hotter body to colder body. So I will explain. See this, students. This is vessel. This is hot water. What is this? I roughly this diagram. Thermometer. This is case 1. Kept in thermometer in hot water. And this is case 2. This is cold water. This cold water. In this cold water kept in another thermometer. So this is hot water. This is cold water. There are two cases in this diagram. So what is that? What is the first question? What change do you notice in the reading of thermometer? It means in mercury level, what changes? Yes, definitely it will change. Either increase or decrease in mercury level. Okay, students? Okay, another. Did the mercury level increase or decrease in case 1, case 2? Yes. For example, in case 1 means hot water kept in thermometer. In case 1, in hot water, the mercury level of thermometer increase or decrease? Guess it? Yes, definitely that mercury level increases. In which case? First case. Because of it is hot water, it is higher temperature. So higher temperature, in this higher temperature, in the thermometer mercury level increases. That is case 1. Okay. And next, case 2. This is hot water or cold water? Cold water. So in this cold water, in thermometer mercury level increase or decrease? Definitely decrease, because it is cold water. Cold water means lower temperature. Yes. So what do you observe in this case 1? Heat will transfer from hotter body to colder body. But in this case 1, hotter body is hot water. Colder body is mercury. Means heat energy hotter body to colder body. What is a hotter body in this case? Hot water. What is colder body in this case? Thermometer mercury level. So what do you observe in case 1? Heat must transfer from hotter body to colder body. So in this case hotter body hot water, in this case colder body is mercury. So now we enter into this case. What is this case? What is this water? Cold water. Cold water means temperature is low. Yes. In this case means case 2, hotter body is indicates mercury. Colder bodies indicates water. Because it is lower, it is higher. So it will be transferred from hotter body to colder body. In case 2 mercury, in case 2 mercury to water. But case 1 water to mercury. So that's why heat will transfer from hot body to cold body. So in this case, one conventional definition. That definition, it is very very important in our public examinations. Please listen and watch students. చూడండి, ఇది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. దీని తర్వాత నేను హీట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్తాను, హీట్ డెఫినేషన్. దట్ హీట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Already I told it is a form of energy. It transfer from one body to another body. Yes, please remember. So this is hotter body to colder body. It is transferred from one body to another body. So in this activity, how will heat energy will be transferred from hotter body to colder body? So this activity indicates heat energy definition. What is the definition of heat? Our lesson heat. What is the definition of heat? This definition also 1 mark question in our public examination. Only 1 mark question. Okay? And sometimes this is 2 marks question with including units. I will explain what is the heat. What is the definition of heat? See this. Heat. Heat is a form of energy. Very important. This heat is a form of energy. In transit means transfer. Transit that flows from body at higher temperature. Body at higher temperature means hot body to a body at lower temperature means cold body. That's why this heat is a form of energy. It transferred from hot body to cold body. It is the smallest definition of heat energy. Okay students, what are the units of heat energy? In our physical science, very very important units. So many students forgot that units. Please remember and watch carefully, listen carefully. Units is very very important. Do you know units? One is CGS. U units. So centimeter, gram, second. In CGS system, what are the units of heat energy? What are the CGS system? And MKS system, it means SI system, system of international, meter, kilogram, second. In CGS system and MKS system. In MKS, SI system, units joule. In CGS system, heat energy, calorie. It means CAL, calorie. In CGS system, units of heat energy, calorie. In MKS system, units of heat energy, joule. So in these two cases, one relation. What is the relation between CGS and MKS? In CGS system, already I told, calorie. In MKS system, joule. So what is the relation? 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. It is very important relation. How to convert calorie into joules? You should multiply with 4.186. Please remember, 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. So it is the relation between units of heat energy. CGS calorie, MKS joule. So 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. Now, what is the unit of temperature? Previous heat energy units CGS, SI, I told. Now, what are the units of temperature? So, units. So, what is that? Temperature. So, in temperature, CGS units and MKS units. Sometimes MKS is also called SI unit. In SI unit, Kelvin. In CGS unit, Celsius. Means degree Celsius. Its symbol K. Okay. CGS unit of temperature Celsius and MKS units of temperature Kelvin. It is very, very important units for temperature. Now let us see, students, how would you convert degree Celsius, this, to Kelvin, this one? How? I will explain. 0 degree Celsius is equal to plus 273 Kelvin. Chala important. It is very important. So 0 degree Celsius is equal to plus 273 Kelvin. Now in degree Celsius, you convert Celsius into Kelvin, you must add 273 to this value. For example, one example. Let us start. Now students, please write in your notebook. One example gives you. That is 27 degrees Celsius. This 27 degrees Celsius, how much in Kelvin? Once convert, start. Okay? I will explain. Yes. Let us start. 27 plus how much? 273. 27 plus 273 is 300. Your answer? My answer? Is it correct? Yes. Therefore, 27 degrees Celsius is equal to 300 Kelvin. This is the example of how to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin. Now, how to convert Kelvin into Celsius? Please listen carefully. Kelvin into Celsius. Previous Celsius into Kelvin. Now Kelvin into Celsius. So it is also very important. 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273. Previous add 273. So in this case, subtract. For example, that is called 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273. One example gives you another. Okay, let us start. For example, 2 Kelvin. How much in Celsius? Let us try. Yes. I will explain. 2 Kelvin. It is converted into Celsius. How much? I will explain. So minus 2 minus 273. 273 minus 2. What is the value? 271. So answer minus 271 degree Celsius. Minus 271. It is very, very important. So many students simply plus 271. It is not like that. 2 minus 273. 2. This is the plus. This is minus. Plus or minus? Minus. So subtract 273 minus 2. 271. Which is big number? 273. What is the big number to sign? Minus. So that's why here minus. So then finally 2 Kelvin is equal to minus 271 degrees Celsius. So students, heat energy 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. Temperature 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius. It is two relation, very, very important in our 10th class heat lesson. Okay students, this is very, very important converting units. So students, temperature is measured in two scales. One is Celsius scale. Another is Kelvin scale. So in these two cases, temperature is measured only Kelvin scale is called absolute temperature. So temperature is measured in Kelvin scale, that is called absolute temperature. What is the definition? Temperature is measured in only Kelvin scale is called absolute temperature. So absolute temperature means temperature must measured in Kelvin scale is called absolute temperature. So what we have conclude up to this topic, what we learned in this class? First, heat is a form of energy. It is transferred from one body to another body. And temperature, what is the temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. Degree means which body is hotter. Degree means which body is colder. And the next topic is thermal equilibrium. What is the thermal equilibrium? One is heat. Another is temperature. And third one is thermal, what is that? Equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. And next one, how transfer from hot body to cold body heat energy, and units, and how to convert. So what we conclude this topic in this class, today this class, heat, it is a form of energy. Temperature, the degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. Thermal equilibrium, when two bodies attain same degree of hotness or coldness, in this stage thermal equilibrium. In this case you can't feel hot or cold, because in one room one substance and surrounding atmosphere temperature, that two temperatures are at the same degree. That's why you can't feel hot or cold. That is called thermal equilibrium. How transfer from hot body to cold body? One activity I will explain. I explained it. And what are the units CGS and MKS? How to convert 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 kelvins. 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273 degree Celsius. And last, temperature is measured in two scales. Only Kelvin scale is called absolute temperature. So students, please listen and watch carefully. Today, I explained some activity, units, how to convert. It is very important in our public examination. Okay? Next online class, I will explain some more interesting activities. Please watch carefully and listen carefully. St. Mary's High School, Palakollu. This is Manikanta, St. Mary's High School, Palakollu. Thank you.